I did that about as bad as anyone could possibly do. We're back here for a little bonus race. They're already battling. We're doing a leader outside the cone section. We got a couple cone sections here. So when the leader of the race hits the area with the cones, oh god, I messed that one up. They have to take the coned off section. Oh boy, okay, good. So there's one cone section up there, and the other cone section is in the back hairpins there. Another cone section's right back there. All right, we gotta make up some ground though, so we can get into the cone rotation here. Oh boy, Brian. Okay. All right, we gotta make some passes here. We gotta make some passes here so we can get in the rotation. I presume the rotation of people is probably gonna be about 3 or 4 people. I do not think so. Dikembe Mutombo finger wag. He was not getting past me. Well, there's some yelling going on back there. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Dennis. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we've made it into the rotation. Jeez, oh man, Brian. Oh my God, bless America. Somebody smacked me good. Holy moly. Alright, good. That's the old standby. The old standby is the old in and out there. Or the old out and in, whatever you want to call it. Oh, I gotta get in the gas earlier. I'm on the gas too late there. Okay. Whoa, good bump, good bump, good bump. Good bump. Alright, we are in the leader rotation. We have successfully made it. We have successfully made it into the leader rotation. I hate this one. Oh, God bless America. Oh, okay, okay. I did that about as bad as anyone could possibly do. Oh, goodness. Oh, got a little loose, got a little loose. This is my spot. This is my spot. Oh, God bless America. Okay, I was a little too close to the wall there. A little too close. I definitely hit an anchor in the wall or something. Oh, goodness, that was hilarious. That was really something. Come on, Dennis, let's go, bud. Oh, goodness. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, we just lost a lot of spaces. Okay. All right. Good race. Good race. Good race.